Hallo Leute, let's learn some German today. I am Kausar Ahmed. Ich bin Kausar Ahmed. I am 26 years old. Ich bin 26 Jahre alt. So, we can say that Ich means I, bin means am, and the name Kausar Ahmed is Kausar Ahmed. And now again, Ich means I, bin means am, 26 in Deutsch we can say 26, 26, years, Jahre, old, alt. Alt means old, Jahre means years, 26 means 26. Bin means am, ich mean I. Ich bin 26 Jahre alt. Ich bin Kausar Ahmed und ich bin 26 Jahre alt. Now, what's your name and how old are you? Comment your name and age in German language in the comment section.